I'm Claire Candy.
So this is the first 2 weeks of intermediate advanced cross-step waltz. We did give a nod to doing faster cross-step. So sometimes the music is just really yummy, but it's 120 or 125 beats a minute. So in this case, just be more certain about your footwork, right? That's going to help. So if we're just kind of rolling along, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Nice and clean, nice, strong through the body, and you can move pretty darn fast. Then we did, let's see, we call it a leads under, but it's an I go, you go, right? So actually, Guy Carini, I think, did that with the she goes, he goes, and called it
You go, I go.
I love that. So,
Great. So our classic cross-step staple is the
I go under.
hands go under, hands go back inside, turn back to close the up. Yeah? So we reviewed that staple, getting that real healthy. Then
We added a pivot loop, which is such a classic move. Hands go forward at the very end of that variation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to cross toward the middle, and that allows her to get more in front of me on count 1. 1.
she's going to bring the hands across and down. Once I'm in front of her, the hand goes up and over.
2.
Clears my head.
3, and now I've got pressure here, and I can send her in a free spin. I'm going to travel down the line, ideally getting ahead of my follow. 4, 5, 6, walk in front.
With time.
And 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 4, and 1. Then we got into an inside roll, which I'm going to set up at the end of the basic by opening my follow up a little bit. And then I'm going to, as I roll her in and across my bow, I want you to notice that it isn't of this. I just got the hand lifted. It's a rotation in the chest that brings her to this position. Watch the entrance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's your pivot loop. And I can do a free spin.
Or roll away.
And I walk in.
We really talked about the fact that I want to fill this space with the open up, right? I want to have that wind up so that then everything falls off of that and is really relaxed. We did notice we are doing like heck of turning here, but we have 6 whole counts. So if we go this way, starting with the open up, we've got 1, 2, 3, hands go forward. Loads of time. But then we have that zoom, boom, boom, and there it is.
Then we added a crossbody. We did a telemark
With that inside roll.
Same setup. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to catch her back.
And step between my feet.
And notice how open she's remaining. And then I'm going to step 4, 5,
Down
6.
long.
Now from this position, I can cross and head over the line and do basic. Or I could do it another one.
We're set up to do more.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. 4, 5, 6, and I'll do basic at the end before I run out of space. Yeah. We also did a butterfly last week.
Yep,
So
so
we
we
will
will
add
the
on.
I go, you go.
It's just different with window dressing and under,
Change hands.
and back, inside turn,
Change hands.
change hands, and I face the outside. So that's what we have done, and we have more coming in 2 weeks. That's it.
Thank you so much.
Yay.